International Electronic Circuits Shanghai Expo. Let's check the companies. The first one is YMZ. The second one, SAA. SUNGS. That one is, looks a little bit hard to recognize. UTECH zone. Yeah, we can see the big ones, I think. I don't want to go there, and I'm going to that way, along this aisle. Electronic circuits. It's pretty professional. If you are in this field, I think you can feel it. ACCU Tech. GIEJUN. What are they offering here? High-tech products. Electronic technology. I'm an outsider. I just want to help you know some companies here. DCT from Tianjin. China Jushi, JUSHI. A big stone. The translation, the literal translation is like this. A big stone. 硕成 SHUOCHENG. KANZASIN. Skycam. KB. Kimbard Holdings. Kimbard. KB. GOM. That is an organization. CPCA. Jinbao. JINBAO. Jinbao Electronics. ZTW PCB Chemicals. CHEMO Tech. DTech. GHT. Okay, GH Tech. UYEMURA Uyemura from Japan, I think. KOTTI. That one is directly called circuit material. Yeah, this is pretty special. RAYI Tech. TEK. YMT Specialty Chemicals. The other one is from Suzhou WWT. Maybe WWAT. SCHLOTTER. From Germany. It's likely from Germany. Looks very German. Bard Tech. MKS is an overseas one. Golden Chemical. Oh, there's one. It looks a little bit familiar. MACDERMID. ALPHA. Yeah, it's a little bit. It has a little bit distance. This is the organizer's location booth. Okay, guys, if you like this video, just give me a like. I will see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.